So you've got that trusty bottle of vinegar underneath the sink, right? The secret weapon for all natural sparkling clean. And that box of baking soda? The cheapest and easiest way to get rid of weird smells. But what if I told you some of your favorite tricks are actually a wolf in sheep's clothing? It's true, some of the most popular hacks out there could be silently causing thousands of dollars in damage. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the viral cleaning tips that are secretly ruining your home, starting with the stuff you probably already own. Let's start with the undisputed king of natural cleaning, vinegar. Everyone praises it for cutting through grease and grime, but there's one place you should never ever go: your natural stone surfaces. If you're spritzing your granite or marble countertops with a vinegar solution, you need to stop that right now. Here's the deal: vinegar is acidic. Instead of just cleaning your beautiful stone, its acidity can etch and dull the surface. Over time, this causes permanent damage that can be incredibly expensive to fix. You're not just wiping away germs, you're literally eating away at the finish. The fix is simple and much safer. For any stone surface, grab a pH neutral cleaner made specifically for stone. Or even easier, just use warm water, a drop of gentle dish soap, and a microfiber cloth. Your expensive countertops will thank you. Have you ever seen this one online? People are dropping laundry detergent pods into a bucket of hot water to mop their floors. It seems smart, and that fresh laundry smell is pretty tempting, but this hack is a total disaster for your flooring. Laundry detergents are super concentrated and just not made for hard surfaces. When you use them to mop, they leave behind a sticky, dull film that actually attracts more dirt. Even worse, the harsh chemicals in laundry soap can strip the protective finish from hardwood, laminate, and even tile, which can totally void your floor's warranty. So instead of raiding your laundry room, just use a product that's actually meant for the job. A pH neutral floor cleaner designed for your specific floor type will get things clean without the sticky residue or long-term damage. We all want those sparkling white grout lines in the bathroom, and bleach seems like the obvious choice. And sure, it might whiten the grout for a little while, but you're trading a quick fix for long-term pain. Bleach is a seriously harsh and corrosive chemical. With every use, it doesn't just whiten your grout, it weakens and erodes it. This can make the grout crumble, leading to loose tiles and some pretty hefty repair bills. On top of wrecking your house, bleach can also be a health risk, irritating your skin, eyes, and lungs, especially in small spaces like a bathroom. A safer and surprisingly effective alternative is a simple paste made from baking soda and water. It's much less abrasive and won't destroy your grout or your lungs. Here's a classic tip. Sprinkle baking soda over your carpets or mattress to get rid of odors before vacuuming. It sounds harmless, but it's a fantastic way to kill your vacuum cleaner. The problem is that baking soda particles are incredibly fine. So fine that they can get past your vacuum's filters and clog them up. Once the filters are clogged, the motor has to work way harder, which can cause it to overheat and burn out. Those tiny particles can even work their way into the motor itself, causing damage over time and possibly voiding your warranty. If you need to deodorize your carpets, look for powders that are actually designed to be vacuum safe. Or better yet, use a vacuum with a high-quality HEPA filter that's built to handle fine particles. Okay, this next one isn't just a damaging hack, it's a dangerous one. You've probably seen DIY recipes online that claim you can mix different products to make a super cleaner. The most common and most hazardous combination is bleach and vinegar. When you mix bleach with an acid like vinegar, it creates toxic chlorine gas. Even a small amount can cause severe coughing, breathing problems, and burning eyes. This is the same stuff used as a chemical weapon in World War I. Another dangerous mix is bleach and ammonia, which creates a different toxic gas called chloramine that can lead to shortness of breath and chest pain. The solution here is a hard and fast rule. Never ever mix your cleaning chemicals. Use one product at a time and always read the label. It's simply not worth the risk. It's so easy to fall for a clever cleaning hack that promises amazing results for almost no effort. But as we've seen, the most popular tricks often come with a hidden price tag. The real key to a clean and happy home is knowing what you're working with. By using cleaners for the intended purpose and skipping these risky shortcuts, you'll protect your home, your health, and your wallet. So now that you've seen which hacks to run away from, what are some of your favorite cleaning tips that are actually safe and effective? Drop them in the comments below, and if this was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video on home maintenance secrets.